this thing on? Hello? Alright guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Destiny and you are here at Destiny is Here Now. One moment, let me turn down the music. If you're new here to my channel, I post beauty, fashion, and kind of boss-like videos. So basically, if you're looking for another stream of income or just wanted to try something different, I share different ways that I make income and make money. And yeah, for the boss girlies out there. And if you're staying for this specific video, you clicked on this video because you know that TikTok shop is a very hot commodity right now, and it is extremely beneficial for the sellers of TikTok. So it's multiple different ways to make money on TikTok, and being a TikTok shop seller, that is kind of a tongue twister. TikTok shop seller? Anyway, being a TikTok shop seller is definitely a big way to also bring in extra income and really just help you out. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can make money with TikTok shop. The 3 of them being: 1, print on demand products. It's when you have certain products that you want, whether it be books, boxers, baby onesies, blankets, and make those custom items if you wanted to in platforms like Canva, and you can just sell them straight from your TikTok shop. The second is actually if you already are a business owner and you have your own business, what you can do is just basically upload the stuff, upload the clothes, and just get right to it and just start selling on TikTok shop. Take your photos, post them, post your price, and yeah, that's really all there is today. The third thing would be drop shipping and how to drop ship with TikTok shop, and it is very beneficial for people who don't really want an inventory or who are pretty good with e-commerce or want to learn more about e-commerce and stuff like that. And this is what this video is about. So please like, share, subscribe. Honestly, I love this channel, and I kind of like been coming to this epiphany, like I actually like doing YouTube. This actually does bring me joy to have a whole platform on YouTube. So if you like content like that, please feel free to like this video and also subscribe, because it does help me with my dreams. So yeah. Alright, let's just get started. Also, if it's more helpful for you to just follow along and just do stuff, then you could do that too. You can purchase my TikTok shop e-guide bundle, which honestly it just shows you everything, how to do things step by step by step, and it's really self-explanatory. It's like TikTok shop for dummies, like, even though you are smart. But yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do when starting your TikTok shop is you're going to of course create an account. So for this account, when creating it, there's a ton of different videos on how to create it. That's not what this video is about. This was kind of basically maneuvering how to really get started and get in the nitty-gritty of stuff. You do have to go through a little bit of a process with the TikTok shop, but I do put how to do it in my ebook if you want to do that. But you do want to get approved and stuff like that. A lot of people say just try again. You do have to give forms of identification. Having already having already a business does kind of help to kind of expedite the process. I did get my TikTok shop on the first try, thankfully, and just put where you are in the world and then get your stuff approved. And yeah, what also helps is also making an ads account. So if you do want to run ads, you don't have to, but it is something that is also very, very helpful, especially if you are linking it to a TikTok account that has like a smaller following or it's just starting out. It did take me a little minute to just get used to everything and then just do my research with TikTok shop, but I'm so happy I did it. And then you know how it's sometimes like a little bit of a struggle when you're on a marketplace to get like your first sale. It wasn't like that for me for TikTok shop, and I don't think it will be like that for you either. I think because it is so new, the great thing about working with TikTok shop is they also want to create a platform that basically is kind of they're in competition with Amazon, but they're doing really, really well. And I think because of that, they give a lot of leeway to the sellers. Like, they give, not leeway, okay, we're gonna get in that, not leeway, but basically they offer a lot of promotions where the seller themselves are not paying for it, but TikTok Shop is actually paying for it, because they want people to come to your shop. They want people to come to your store. So I feel like now is the best time to definitely take advantage of that and really just get into it, especially if you're looking to create another source of income. You know, even like kind of like change your life. If you're tired of like a 9-to-5 and want to make your own money, I think this is an absolutely great platform to use for extra source of income, or for income, period. Okay, so when I first started my TikTok shop, I literally it was like a trial and error period. Like, I was having a lot of cancellations because some things were not connected with this and some things were not connected with that. I had to learn like basically how to maneuver different things, and it got a little bit like discouraging, but we keep going. We don't give up. We don't do that. We don't give up. Okay, so the first things first, I only got 5 visitors today I only got a few visitors today from my TikTok shop, but it's okay because I made my goal, which I'm happy about, is it'll show you your visitors, orders, all that. You can change this from in the last couple of days, and then you're also able to have, like, you can see your orders on this page, and it'll show you the things that you need to either ship that have just been shipped. And yeah, you'll also see like where you can market as well and shop for ads. TikTok does have a great thing where you can basically request creators and different people to market your business, where you can either send them free stuff, or you can ask them to buy your product at a discounted rate, and they will offer a commission for what they promote, which I think is an awesome thing to do. I think it's absolutely phenomenal. So shout out to TikTok. Then of course you have to keep up with your account health. It'll give you different things to grow with, but overall it's a great experience. I do say that I do believe the one thing that the TikTok shop could work on is the customer service portion. It does take a while for them to get back to me, especially if it's something urgent, or I'm like worried about my account health or something like that. There's not like really a sense of urgency. Okay, so the first option is Printify. This is what you use in order to make different things, and you can connect it right to TikTok shop, which is absolutely awesome. So what you do is you can either upload products that you already have or already created, and you go to their catalog, which is their catalog home. You connect it to your TikTok shop, and then voila, anything that you make, but just make sure that it is TikTok shop eligible. That way it's still in the guidelines of it being shipped out on time, and you're not penalized for not shipping your stuff out on time. Recently, TikTok has been doing a thing where they want to try to do like a 2 business day shipping requirement, and then they're highlighting a lot of the businesses that adhere to that shipping, that shipping time period. TikTok Ready, you can click on that right here, and going on it, these are the items that are TikTok Ready. Awesome. They have so many different things. Let's say, I don't know, let's do, what do I have already? Blanket, beach towel. So let's go back and go to my product. So I think what I'm going to do here is show you guys like firsthand. I'm going to go to this tumbler. I think tumblers are definitely in. I love a good tumbler for work, and I love coffee. We should do the coffee bags. No, I'm going to make a whole video on the coffee bags. So they have coffee bags. But yeah, so basically there are going to be a couple of different like providers for this to start drop shipping and like for them to make your stuff, but you do have to look around at the turnaround time. The average production time is 1.1 days, which is great. That's great. And this kind of gives you all the gist of stuff like that. You have to take into account basically how much everything is costing and how much it is for shipping, so that'll determine how you price your items. You start designing what your Tumblr will look like. You can always download a design template, upload it to Canva, Adobe to put in any of your designs. And let's do something, I don't know, basic. Thanks for your purchase. Type in, let's make the background, I don't know, pink. Not that color, no. Actually, no, let's make it pink. And let's change that actually. Okay, so using this, you don't have to use any of these things, but the thing about Printify that I do love is that they do allow you to use things from their platform, which is absolutely great. You can add text, choose your own font in this app. So this app, you can, you know, design it how you want it. And I love that this app does that. Okay, I'm gonna make dreams come true. Maybe I should put, like, I'm definitely gonna change that color because, yeah, no. Changing the color. No, it needs to, like, pop out. It needs, like, a pizzazz. You know what? Where's the blue? Where's the baby blue? Okay. Is that even a color? It's a color. Okay, and then I'm gonna put, like, maybe some little deco or decoration-ish type of thing. Maybe. No. Extract plants. Yep, there we go. Oh, I can't change that color. You know what? Whatever. It's okay. Let's do this. Let's duplicate her. Duplicate her, make her a little bit smaller. But basically, you get it however you want to design it and make it how you want it. This is what you will do, and this is for one aspect of using TikTok Shop. If you have items that you want to create that are like stuff like this, like a lot of this, I feel like it's like a lot of stationery products. Now you can click on preview and click on the preview button, and then it will show you what it'll come out looking like. And this is great, I feel like, if you want to sell stuff like for birthday parties or bachelorette parties or and stuff like that. And then you're at this page where you are putting, you're choosing the type of mock-ups that you would want to use. Places is also a good place for us to use different mock-ups as well. You name it, your Tumblr, you put a description for your Tumblr. You click this, and then this will give you like a kind of like a profit margin. Sometimes the profit margins are kind of high. I don't really know many people that are paying $36 for a Tumblr. Actually, I take my mind because there's a bunch of Stanleys out there. But basically, you price it to how you want it or how you feel like it'll sell for how much. But you do want to make sure that you are making some sort of profit from this. Voila, done. You can order a sample for it in order for you to be able to market and promote it, and it'll help with doing stuff like that. But this is definitely a great option. And now we are on to option number two. Option number two will be already having a business that you already own, and maybe you want to get rid of some of the items that you have in your inventory, and you know, you're just looking to get rid of them. So for this option, having the items already on hand, all you would do is you go back to your seller's account on TikTok Shop and you start selling. Okay, so these are some items that I had from my original boutique that like I love, and they're really cute items, but I do feel like TikTok Shop is a better way to market it. I've already sold one item after just putting them up, then they've been doing really well. And I have just started placing a few more items from my TikTok shop, from my boutique, to post and sell on my TikTok shop. And you can check your analytics by looking at views and by looking at numbers to see how they are doing. And these are one of the items. It's a 2-piece set, and honestly it's great for summer. The only thing about this one is be prepared. With this one, I do recommend having, if you already have a business, having the labeler and having your mailers and stuff like that on hand, and then making sure you're getting that shipping and stuff out as soon as possible. Okay, like I said, I have the product here. What you can do is do the handy dandy. You can add a new product. They'll go through a series of things that you put in. Now be careful with the part about adding the category, because they are very specific with putting your category, and you can get like penalized for putting in the wrong category. Just appeal it and just try to go as close to what the item actually is as possible. And then you just put in your description. They do kind of, I think, use AI to help you do a couple of things and generate, you know, your description and stuff like that. But all you do, you submit the item for review, and then you do that with the list of your products and whatever else you're selling. If it is like what type of items or anything like that, I think you do have you have to have some sort of certification, but just be mindful of that. Yeah, and how you can do that, you just upload it like that, go straight to the TikTok shop seller center, and then you add your new products like that. Probably one of the easiest ways to do stuff if you have stuff on hand, but it is a very nice option. Okay, so next and lastly, and definitely the option that I use and I love, you can go, is the e-commerce drop shipping option, which you can do by going over here to apps and services. You do have to connect it to Shopify, or you can find a different way to like connect it. They have different apps for you to have like connector apps. I personally use Shopify, and then it allows you to connect your store to whatever drop shipper or e-commerce you have, which I love this option. So here's a whole bunch of connector apps that are very helpful. All of these, and then you can go over to e-commerce. It's not e-commerce management. No. Did I forget? Okay, yep, here you go. And you can also do print on demand from right here as well. But as you can see, I already have Printify installed. You do drop shipping, and then here are the apps that are eligible for TikTok shop drop shipping. CJ drop shipping is definitely a really good one as well. And then you want to go for options that kind of will help you to make a profit, honestly. Honestly, that was pretty easy. Let me know what else y'all want to see as far as like these types of videos and like things to do with this type of content. If you guys like this type of content, I can show you guys how I make my Amazon books as well, or like with my Etsy shop and stuff like that, or see me create a couple of things. I think I would be really interested in that, so just let me know. Like, share, subscribe. Please don't forget to comment, ask questions, let me know. I'm not, stingy. Just let me know. Again, purchase my ebook if you want to. Purchase my ebook. Just purchase it, okay? Purchase it. Purchase my ebook in the comments, and yeah, I love y'all. Remember that you are important, and remember to follow your gifts, your God-given gifts, your talents, all of that, because the world definitely needs somebody as special and as wonderful and as great and amazing as you. Peace.